Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to be covering in a SQL function is going to be logical functions. And the outputs in these types of functions is determined by comparative logic. So the three functions that I'm going to be covering is going to be isNumeric, which checks if the number is numeric, if, and this function checks a certain criteria, and then it can return like a word instead. And then choose, this is really useful like for the tables that have like a category and subcategory, so you're kind of digging into tables if you need to do it quickly and you know that these categories don't change very often. So you can use choose and you can get the category ID from the sub, for example, for the previous table, and then you can put the words of each category like bikes, components, etc. And I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate these in a SQL now. Okay, so this is the first demonstration. It's selecting numeric size. From this table there's sizes, for example large, extra large, but there's also like a numerical sizes like 58, 60, 48 for the bike, but they also call them like a medium, large, extra large. But if you only, for example, want to get a numeric value, we can say where isNumeric size and then equals 1, in this case means true. So when we execute this, then we'll only get a numeric sizes. The next demonstration is if, and here, for example, we're getting if product subcategory IDs in any of these 1, 2, or 3, we know it's a bike, otherwise it's other. Very useful, like if we have some table that has categories inside of it and we don't want to join, you know, like a simpler way of doing, as long as we know that these categories don't change very much. It's like this, and then we get other, and then we get bike. And now the combination between if and isNumeric. So here we have if size is numeric, so as a part of criteria here, if this is positive, then return numeric, otherwise non-numeric. And we have non-numeric, 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 numeric. And then choose, which is very useful when in a situation like this where we have, for example, product table. In this case we have a product subcategory and product category, so this one is kind of having the ID of the product category and product subcategory. So if we don't want to have to join this product category and make a really complex query, we're already joining two tables, we know that these categories don't change very much, then we can use choose and we can substitute the IDs of the product category ID in our subcategory table. So we know it's 1, 2, 3, for example, bikes, components, clothing, accessories. So we get away without using an extra join and a very complex query to do it. So choose function can be really good for that. So I covered the logical functions, isNumeric, if, and choose in this quick video.